So I have built my app. It is completed. I'm going to go into my fake phone here, and I'm going to remove the old app. I'm removing the app because there's one thing we still haven't touched on, and that's versioning. So delete. Actually, I don't have to remove this because it's technically it has a different name, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to go to the output folder, where it tells me, every time you build the app, it tells you where it put it. So it says right here, it was in C drive, users, DAO, or my username, documents, app builder, dictionary apps, APK output. So I'm finding that. So I'm installing my APK now. Bing, microwave is ready. And first thing you'll see is that this lexicon doesn't look any different. Okay, but when I click in, you'll notice that the stuff that is in English is blue. Okay, and we'll look at why that is. But it has worked. It has imported the style settings properly because we re-imported the whole thing over again. And I'm hoping the rest of you will see the same, that the colors will be represented when you click into an entry. Everything in the language is black. Everything in English is in blue.